Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. When you show favor to others, you receive a triple portion of favors in return. Let us study about fables, folk tales, fairy tales, myths, and legends today. What are fables? Fable is a story that sets forth some pointed statement of truth. Origin found in almost every country, handed down from generation to generation as oral literature. Content usually contains incidents that relate to the unusual, sometimes supernatural, contains a moral lesson. Characters often animals or plants given human qualities, but people and supernatural figures may appear. Structure lacks development of characters. Examples Aesop's fables and the tortoise and the hare. So what we have understood about the fables is that fable is a brief story that sets forth a pointed statement of truth. For example, honesty is the best policy, or union is strength, and in almost all over the countries its origin is found, and it has moral lesson, and usually animals and plants given human qualities, and characters don't develop here. Examples are also given. Let's see what are folk tales or tall tale. Folk tales deal with heroes, adventures, magic, or romance. Some are tall tales, stories that contain hyperbole. So, what is hyperbole? Hyperbole is a figurative device which is used to give exaggeration in any kind of event. Origin. Origin can be American folk literature, oral tradition, word of mouth, no known author. So, usually folk tales have anonymous authors. We don't know about the writers. And content based on hard working people, bragging and exaggeration, hyperbole, tall tale, humorous or witty, seemingly impossible feats. Characters can be people, fictional characters, told to make the narrator seems as if he or she was part of the story. Examples Ali Baba, Johnny Appleseed, Jack and the Beanstalk. So folk tales are based on heroism, and they are usually found in almost all literature, and based on hardworking people, humorous or witty can be, and characters can be people, and as if there is a narrator also in the story. Examples are Ali Baba. Fairy tales. Fairy tales are fictional stories that may feature folkloric characters and enchantments. Almost all cultures, oral tradition and then written and recorded. Associated with children, characters can be fairies, goblins, elves, trolls, giants, gnomes, talking animals, princesses, witches, wicked stepmothers, fairy godmothers, etc. Structure contains elements of plot, Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, etc. So, fairy tales are fictional stories, and there are enchantments in them, and they are found in almost all the cultures, and there are fairies in them. There can be animals and witches, wicked stepmothers, and there should be elements of plot there. Examples are Cinderella and Snow White. Let's see what myths are. Definition: a sacred narrative explaining how the world and humankind came to be in their present form. Origin: almost all cultures pass through oral tradition. Content: closely linked to religion and explaining of why something is. Establishes model for behavior. Characters, gods or supernatural heroes. Elements of plot and personification. Example, Roman mythology, Greek mythology. So it's a sacred, holy narrative explaining how the world and humankind came to be in their present form. It is also found in almost all cultures, and it is linked to religion, and gods or supernatural heroes are there, and there is also plot and personification in it. Legends, stories about the past, they are often based on facts, but storytellers have added imaginative details. Found in almost all cultures, passed on through oral tradition. Content, occurrence of miracles. Characters, real people going through imaginary events. Includes elements of plot. For example, Beowulf, Robin Hood, George Washington cutting down the cherry tree. So, legends are those stories which are based on facts, but there is imaginative detail in it, and it is also found in almost all cultures, passed through oral tradition, and there are miracles in it, real people going through imaginary events, and there is also plot. Examples are Robin Hood and Beowulf. Okay, which genre teaches a moral at the end? Which will be fable. Which genre usually features gods and goddesses? Myth. Which genre usually has no known author and is passed down by word of mouth, oral tradition? Fable. Which genre includes elements of plot, is based on facts but has imaginative traits? Legends. And which genre has fictional characters such as fairies and giants? Fairy tale. Let's see common elements. Clues to story development. There should be plot, character, repetition or patterns, setting and theme. Let's see what is plot. Plot is the sequence of events in a story that revolves around a conflict or a problem. So, plot is a sequence of events in a story which revolves around a problem. In folk literature, events unfold quickly and predictably, much easier than in novels and long stories. Notice the way events are presented in sequence. Main character solves the conflict often with the help of gods or magic. Satisfying conclusion. Characterization.